Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, pull down your notifications and then click on the gear icon. From here, you want to scroll all the way down to General Management and then select Reset, Factory Data Reset, and at the bottom you'll see again a reset. Now before you proceed any further, I recommend just getting acquainted with this message right here. So it tells us that this will basically get rid of everything that is listed right here. So most importantly, it will get rid of things like music, photos, and user data, along with all the listed applications at the bottom. So assuming I want to proceed, I can tap on reset. If you want to back up your device prior to this, do it right now, and then come back here to reset and then delete all the data. Now this process will take a couple minutes to finish up, so just be patient, but once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.